Alright guys, and welcome. Now in this tutorial I want to show you how you can actually make a simple logo without being a professional logo designer. I am very proficient in the use of Photoshop and Illustrator, but I want to show you an easy way using an online tool called Logo Maker, makr.com, in creating your logos free of charge. So you go to their site. This is the URL. So once you are here, you can do a lot with this tool. They have the paid version, but I use a free version if I'm in a rush to quickly design something. So here we want to make a logo for a client job. Now this is what I'm going to do. The first thing is your background. This is the default, so I have a background size in mind. So click on this icon. So I want the horizontal length to be 171, while the vertical should be 41. So can you see? So just blank, and then so this is the canvas I'm going to be working with. So everything I will be designing will be within this canvas. Do you understand now? So now, depending on your artistic flavor or how you have conceptualized your logo, we are not here to start talking about all the things that come into it. You need to be a professional logo designer to understand that. But if you can just come up with something simple, you begin to understand. So you can search for millions of free graphics here. So I want to look out for a shape like polygon. So I can just type polygon and hit search. Yeah, so you can see. Yes, I think I will be needing this. So just click this. Oops. Okay, no worry. No, you can just drag it. Yes, so just resize it to fit what you want. So I kind of like it like this. No, okay, I think it's better now. Okay, so okay, yeah, so I think it's okay like this. Now I'm coming up with a concept now, so just look at how it is going to be done. So now that I've chosen a shape here and then I've added it to my canvas, now what I need to do now is I want to add a text to this area. So you click on this T, you see it's going to give you this. So if you find out that it's covering the, you can just put your arrow here and then drag to fit. Do you see? So you just use it to resize. Do you see? So now okay, let me move it to where I actually need it. So I want to type something like Iblis. Yes, so you can always drag it here. So now you can change the font depending on what you actually want. Let me see, let me use traditional serif. So let me go for different font family under the traditional serif. Let me see, you can see. So depending on what you actually want, you can play around with the fonts. So now I kind of want to make this white. You can always manage it here. If you don't want to see it again, if you click on this eye, it's gonna, so click on it, shows again. So this is the color panel. If I should check any color now, you see start changing. But I'm gonna give this white because on the site where I'll be using it, it's gonna be kind of showing on a red background. So I'm gonna leave this one as white later on. You might not actually see it, but just so you could see. So now this area I need to put a text there. What do I do? Okay, I want to put a capital letter here to be a standalone text here. So this is what I'm going to do. Let me just copy this. You can actually click on this and say duplicate. You see, so we have two of it. So you see, can you see now? So I want to use the same font, so that's why I actually, so let me pick M, no, E, capital letter E. So that's what I actually needed. I'm gonna make it big. want it to fill. I'm still going to change the background. This black is going to be a white background, so we'll get to that in a moment. But let me come back to this. I want it to fill the whole. Yeah, kind of. Sorry. Yes. So that's why it's kind of not as cool as having a professional software, graphic software. Let me see. I need a big font. No. This one is out of it. Okay. Good. So now let me quickly change this background first to white, this black background. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to do now. I want to change the background to white. No, oops. Sorry. Let me just okay. Just click on this. This is what I want to work with. So I actually uncheck them so I can see this. So let me change this to white background. The exact code is FFF. Don't worry, FFFF. Okay. Now that done. So yeah. So what we have here is a white background. So now this is what we're trying to come up with. Okay, I want to kind of make it run into it, so it's still gonna work, although I'm still gonna change this Iblis to white background. Yes, I'm gonna change it to a white background. So okay, so let me go ahead and also change it to a white background. Just want to be sure working on the right one. Okay, so FFFF. Oops, that's the wrong font. That's the wrong text. Yes. So now guys, you're not going to see it because I want to actually use it on a background that will have a red on this side, so and it's going to show, but you should understand the concept now. And once you're done with your design, this is how you save to your desktop. Just click on this save logo. So click on this. So now once you're done, now they will prompt you to pay $19 if you want to, so you don't need that. Just click on no thanks, download low resolution file. So it's going to download to your PC, and let's see how it looks. You can see, isn't that amazing logo here? Can you see? So that's why I told you the background is transparent. So now this is a white text gonna show on a red background. When I finally use it on the website I'll be using it for. So guys, that is how to design a logo quickly using logomaker.com. So thank you, and I see you later on.